Welcome to Real Coding. In this video, we're going to create a simple yet functional to-do list application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. By the end of this project, you'll have a practical tool to manage your tasks efficiently. Let's get started. First of all, we are using Git for version control. The first step in building our to-do list application is setting up the HTML structure. We'll create an HTML file and define the basic structure of our web page using tags like HTML, head, and body. Additionally, we'll create a container using a div or all element to hold our to-do list. We'll utilize the live server extension to view our code changes in real time. Let's dive in. I am creating dummy items so we can see what we are doing on CSS. Also, I'm using Emmet extensions for effortless HTML tag creation. Now it's time to make our to-do list application visually appealing by applying CSS styles. We'll create a separate CSS file and link it to our HTML file. Using CSS selectors, properties, and values, we'll customize the colors, fonts, and layout of our application to create an attractive user interface. Now, we will try some CSS properties to catch the look we like. As you see, I am trying and learning with you. I'm performing without preparation. Because I believe in best learning and teaching is working together and trying to be better. Please comment below your ideas so I can improve. That's it. List is almost done. Now we need to add an input section. Please comment below if video's too short or too long, or if you want tutorial without fast forward, let me know. And input group is done. Let's dive into the JavaScript. With the structure and styling in place, it's time to add functionality to our to-do list application using JavaScript. JavaScript will enable us to update the HTML structure and content dynamically. First of all, we need to define our input box and create a function for adding items, so function can run buttons on click event. After some mistakes, I found the correct way. Just remember, there isn't one correct way in coding. Always you can do it with your methods. In coding, you have goals and problems in the way of achieve your goal. You have to solve these problems. You can solve however you like. To make our to-do list interactive, we'll add event listeners to handle user interactions. We'll listen for events such as button clicks or key presses and trigger the corresponding JavaScript functions to perform the desired actions. Once we've implemented the functionality, it's important to test our to-do list application thoroughly. We'll ensure that it functions as expected, handles edge cases, and provides a smooth user experience. And there you have it, a fully functional to-do list application created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can now manage your tasks effectively and stay organized. Feel free to enhance the application further by adding features or personalizing the design. Happy coding! If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about coding and web development, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We regularly share tutorials, projects, and tips to help you level up your coding skills. Don't miss out on any future videos. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.